Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Threads application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your Instagram if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can view various different threads. Now, if you wish to change the language of the application, just tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the menu icon at the top right. This will now take you into the settings page, from which scroll down and you will find the language option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now see the various different languages that are supported by the Threads application. Just tap on whichever language you prefer and this will now restart the application and apply your language right away. And you can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your language on Threads. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the Threads application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.